Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is November 2nd on a Thursday and seeing a nice gap up here in the market. I think you really got to be careful today. I mean, it's going to be tempting to chase a lot of these stocks that are gapping up on earnings. I still think this is a market you need to be patient in and let the price come to you or look for the setups. Uh, but maybe what I like to do on days like this is put all those stocks that had earnings, into a watch list, and then maybe even a race where you can kind of follow them and see which ones are going to continue higher or which one's going to try to fill the gap. But anyway, it could be a tough day. I think you should be patient once again. But let's take a look at some setups. I'm still going to focus on the setups. I mentioned this TME a couple of times. It's still setting up nicely. Looks like it's trying to gap up, right at this 200-day moving average. 10 Cent Music, it is a China play. One I'm still have my eye on. May have to grab that one early. CrowdStrike, this is one, not an earnings play today, but had earnings a while back, I think, over on this day. Setting up nicely. You're not chasing this, but gapping up above all its moving average. The last one there, the 20. So we got CrowdStrike on my list. UUU, I think I mentioned this maybe yesterday. It is setting up for a potential go, pause, go. Uranium stocks have been strong. Looks like if it gets up out of this range around 815, about where it's gapping up, it could be an explosive move there in UUU. SWN's another one. Nice little pattern there. You had a strong move on volume, and now even though it's kind of sloppy, it's still setting up for a move. I think I'm going to raise this a little bit. CRNX, I'm not sure what this one's going to do, but it's definitely strong. Been going sideways for a while. It's going to be tempting if it gets back above that 30, say 30, 40 level. All right, guys, that's it. Keep it tight. Be patient. Wait for your price. Have a good one. Bye-bye.